Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the bladeless neck fan. You can get this product on Amazon for about $32. Check out the link in the description. The neck fan comes with a USB charging cable and a user manual. First, I fully charge the battery. Working time of the neck fan is between 4 and 8 hours, depending on the speed. Using the neck fan is very easy. You just have to push the button to turn it on, increase the speed and turn it off. I tested the neck fan for about a week and I think it's a good product. It's comfortable to wear, not too loud, and it really helps on a warm day. So if you are looking for a wearable fan with rechargeable battery and different speeds to keep you cool on a warm day, I would recommend the bladeless neck fan. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.